Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on two-step verification on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube app and sign in with a Google account linked to your YouTube. And here, tap the profile icon and select Google account. Then here, go to Security tab. Scroll down and find the two-step verification under the signing in to Google. Tap Get Started and enter your Google password to confirm. You can choose your preferred method like phone prompt, text message or call, an authenticator app, and follow the on-screen steps and complete the setup. And that's it. Now, every time you log into YouTube with your Google account, you'll need the password and verification code for extra security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.